สวัสดีครับผมศิรัตน์ รัตนไพฑูรย์หรือบิดนะครับ CEO Domino Pizza นะครับวันนี้ในโอกาสที่เราเพิ่งออกซีรีส์พิซซ่าใหม่ที่ชื่อว่า Domino New Gen Pizza เราก็เลยถือโอกาสมาเยี่ยมร้านอาหารร้านหนึ่งที่มีเจ้าของเป็น New Gen Chef คนหนึ่งเชฟ DK นะครับวันนี้เรามาอยู่ที่ร้านเฮามา Hi DK how are you
Very good. How are you, guys?
Good. So can you maybe let us, our audience know what this place is and like what is the concept and everything?
Of course. So Haoma is a restaurant that is based on the philosophy of sustainability. It is a neo-Indian restaurant which brings in classic Indian cuisine and presents it in a new neo-gen way. As a part of the dining experience at Haoma Kunbit, we try to educate and encourage all the people who come to our restaurant to be motivated with sustainability, and that's why we showcase them all the effort of sustainability. This is a little sustainability center of restaurant Haoma, and also today's time mostly all the carbohydrates are coming only from rice or from wheat in form of bread or different compounds, so we try to showcase all the different 50 types of carbohydrates that are used in Indian cuisine, and then we use that in our menu. This is our aquaponic garden, and we grow more than 30 different variety of herb, plant, edible flower over here that are used in our menu daily. So the flavors are very strong when they grow in our sustainable system. This is like a broadleaf coriander. Try have a smell of it. It's just very much stronger than what you get outside.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's why we need smaller quantity to give more flavor. Yes.
Wonderful.
So this is a 100% sustainable ecosystem restaurant. There is nothing like this else in the world.
Wow. DK, after hearing your plantation, the fish and everything, I can't wait to try your food. So maybe today, if possible, can you show me some cooking of your best dish?
Sure. Today
the
I
one
will
that you
cook
like the most?
My signature dish for you. So this dish I'm cooking today, we call it Bangkok to Biscay, and I was doing a pop-up in Portugal. Traditionally, it is cooked with prawns or with mackerel fish. Over here, we are using prawns from the lagoon in Ranong, which is the banana shrimp, and we use all parts of the animal. The head of the prawn is used. The butter in the head emulsion is made with that. The prawn itself is sous vide and then kept on the bottom. And the traditional recipe of curry, when you see, is very strong. It has wine in it. It has all of these elements. We take all of that heaviness away because today the diner wants fresh. We make it colorless as a reduction, and then we serve it as a clear, fresh curry instead of a thick, winey curry from before.
Wow. Look at these two amazing dishes. So I'm going to try this one instead. Okay. I can see your point, DK, when you talk about clean and simpleness and everything.
Yes.
It's all there.
Yes.
It's bring out most of the flavor of the protein and then complement with many other things. Thank you so much, DK, for the dishes. And then in that case, I also bring some products for you to try.
Yes.
We just launched a new pizza called Domino's New Gen Pizza.
Right.
And the concept of these pizza, basically, it's related to your philosophy of cooking these days.
Yes.
So we're trying to bring something new into a QSR pizza. So I have the first one, it's called Resi Parmesan. The second one is called Korean beef bulgogi.
Oh, wow.
So it's an imitation of beef bulgogi made like in Korean cuisine.
Yes.
But we do it minced beef and then some garlic oil.
Amazing.
And the last one is actually vegetarian. We call it the corn and ricotta.
Okay. It smells amazing, Kunbit.
Yes, please give it a
I
try.
cannot wait to try. The dough is beautiful in this pizza. It's very fresh, very new, like a gourmet restaurant pizza, you know? Really good texture.
This one tastes a little bit more Asian.
Yes.
And a little bit spicy, but should be okay for you.
Actually, it's very new and very different. There is nothing like this in Bangkok or anywhere in the world I've eaten before. So this is very amazing. Lovely. This is amazing. Really, with the corn and ricotta, ricotta is very fresh, but it's gratinated, so it has this grainy texture. It's really nice. It's amazing. Very, very nice.
Glad that you like it.
Very nice.
Thank you for letting us visit here. And thank you for cooking me a meal. It was a wonderful dish.
Please.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.